Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send packages to friends and family using Uber Connect. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Uber app on your phone and you'll see the search bar right at the top of your screen. This is where you'll enter both your pickup location and drop-off location. The pickup location is where the package will be collected from, and the drop-off location is where you want it delivered. Go ahead and type in both addresses to get started with your delivery request. Once you've entered both locations, you'll notice a section at the bottom of your screen showing different ride and delivery options. You'll need to drag this section upwards to expand it and see all the available services. This reveals the full list of options Uber offers, not just the standard ride options that appear by default. Now, scroll down through these options until you find one called Courier. This is Uber's package delivery service that lets you send items without needing to be in the vehicle yourself. You'll actually see two options here, Courier and Courier Saver. The regular Courier option is faster, while Courier Saver is a more budget-friendly choice that might take a bit longer. Both work perfectly fine for sending packages to your friends and family, so pick whichever fits your needs and timeline better. After you've selected either Courier or Courier Saver, click on it and then tap the Next button. This moves you forward in the booking process and confirms that you want to proceed with a package delivery rather than a regular ride. On the next screen, you'll see your pickup spot displayed. Take a moment to confirm that this location is correct and matches exactly where your package will be collected from. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Next to continue. This ensures the courier knows exactly where to go to pick up your item. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you can see all the details of your delivery. This includes the pickup address, the drop-off address, the estimated delivery time, and the cost of the service. Review everything carefully to make sure all the information is accurate before you finalize the request. Once you've verified that all the details are correct, click Confirm Delivery. This officially books the courier and sends your request to a nearby driver who will pick up your package and deliver it to your chosen destination. And that's it. You've successfully set up a package delivery through Uber Connect, making it easy to send items to your friends and family without having to deliver them yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.